And we're back. So the guy asked, if men do jumping jacks, why don't women do jumping jills? Now we're my sponsor. You ladies were looking for a new revolutionary wonder for a magical, glowing, young look. Well, this wonder is here with us tonight. It comes to us from the lowest place on Earth, about 417 meters below sea level. Aristotle wrote of its remarkable water. King Herod lined fortresses around it, and Cleopatra claimed it as her personal spa. The unbelievable fountain of youth, the Israeli Dead Sea. Brought to you by Dr. Olengin. All of Dr. Olengin's products are boosted with those magical, unexplained minerals that you can only find in the Dead Sea. Here we can see the anti-aging series. Magic Mineral Anti-Aging Day Cream, Magic Mineral Anti-Aging Night Cream, and the super boosted Magic Mineral Anti-Aging Serum. It has a natural effect on the skin because of its extremely enriched Dead Sea minerals, and by that, they slow down the skin's aging process in a way that you have never seen before. So I say, if it was good enough for Cleo, it's good enough for me. So yeah, jumping Jill, you believe that? We'll be back.